Let's go. So this thing will just happen now, just make me understand that anything can happen in this life. Anything will happen. Like there is no template to anything. There is no time frame to anything. Anything will happen. Okay, so we're live here in the house of the legend, our daddy, Chief Michael Jagger, and we are about to see him. So yeah, it's a pleasure and a privilege. Yeah, I'm happy. So we had to come all the way from Lagos. We just planned sharp in the evening. Came here, so we thank God we had like the support of a lot of persons here. Show my people, because I know come here alone. Yeah, more than happy now, and I know you're on a day. Yes, so
I'm the daughter.
Hey, what? See our mama here, the daughter of Chief Michael Jagger. So yeah, so guys, he's coming outside. So he's coming outside. The moment he came out and he saw us.
Daddy, let's go. Welcome.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Kudos to Brainjotter.
Thank you.
It's easy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that you one of the man's music. He made it to trend.
Thank you.
To go viral. More than as it was. When it was recorded. Even after it was recorded, years after. You know? But I think it has spanned over 30-something years that music was recorded.
Yeah.
You know? But as God may have it, God said that through you, Brainjotter, you skip matter, this number will go viral. And it's going viral until continue to go viral in Jesus' name. Yeah? Remain blessed.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, through, remain blessed.
Thank you.
A lot of misconceptions.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay. It is the influence of social media. Anybody can say anything.
That's correct.
Anybody can imagine anything. You know? But today, you are here with gentleman Michael Jagger. Yes, the creator of Case Loyi Sioche, Ghana Bo Chairman, Gwọ Gwọ Ngwo. Gwọ Gwọ Ngwo.
And for those that think we ripped him or we're making money off this whole thing, I understand your concerns and it is very valid. Like, I appreciate the fact that you want him to get value for his hard work, which is very valid. And I want you to understand that you are doing something good, but at the end of the day, no dime was made off this song for myself. Nothing like that. So the truth is, I understand because you don't understand how it works. All those music where I did put out there, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, everything, the whole revenue are going to Michael Jagger's record label, his production company. You cannot even monetize another person's song because these platforms have copyright violation. They have tools to strike you for copyright. So if I post that video on YouTube, YouTube strikes it for copyright and they give the revenue to the actual owner which is Mike Ejaga. If you post it on Facebook, Facebook will tell you to your face that this song does not belong to you, it belongs to this person. They take the revenue and they give it to the actual owner. And another positive thing is that the song increased the streamings on streaming platform massively, and there's no how I can put the song on streaming platform. So everything, all revenues are going straight to Mike Ejaga. And the 2 million that I gave him was from my pocket, my hard-earned money. It's just for humanity, and it's not for profit. This whole thing is not for profit. Not just because nothing there is life, and it's the little we can do, you know. And we got the reward, which is the joy in his heart. Now the joy in his heart now be my profit. So thank you so much for your concern, and it's good to fight for what you think is right. So that's fine.
Thank you for your great work. You know, yes, God bless you. So basically, it was not really planned. I think it was just the will of God. Yeah, because the last I heard of the song was when my father plays it, you know, as a kid, if I'm traveling to the east, you know, in my head, then I go to vex, say that the pool, you know. Yeah, but as God may have it, you know, I was just scrolling through TikTok, and then I just passed through the song. So I've scrolled like 4 times, and then I came back, and I'm like, the song just made sense to me. And the video I even used to do it was a video I've already done since, you know. So I think it's just the will of God, not my will. Do you understand? Exactly.
No?
You know, so yeah. Okay, so and as God may have it, myself, you know, and members of my team, you know, to just give the family like 2 million naira, like I said, you know. So anyhow you could use to take care of him, you know, and then still cater for the family as for some time. So yeah, thank you very much for the privilege. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. So I would I'll make a transfer to anybody that's All right. So I don't know if we mind. I could just come close to take a picture. Yes, sir.
Onye keru abiano anyo, ezina abiano, lesebu abiano.